In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Miro board from start to finish. Miro is a fantastic online tool for collaborative brainstorming, mind mapping, and content organization. And today, I'll guide you through setting up your very own board. First off, you'll want to begin by heading to the Miro website. Once you've navigated to Miro.com, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage. This is where you'll access all the primary functions of the tool. After getting acquainted with the site, your next step is to find the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Give it a click to proceed to the login page. Now that you're on the login screen, you have the flexibility to sign in using either your email or your Google account. Selecting the most convenient option for you will make this process seamless. For those choosing the email route, click on Continue with Email and follow the prompts to enter your credentials. If you're using a Google account, simply select that option and you'll be redirected to sign in through Google's interface. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is the central hub where all your boards will be housed. To create a new board, direct your attention to Boards in this team and click on Create New. This will initiate the setup for a fresh Miro board, providing a blank canvas for your ideas. Next, select the type of project you want to create. In this instance, we're focusing on boards, so go ahead and click on Board. At this point, you'll see a blank board pop up, ready for your creativity. Your new board will need a name. Consider what you'll be using the board for and enter a name that's descriptive yet concise. Naming your board is a crucial step as it helps keep things organized, especially when you've got multiple projects on the go. With your board named, you're also given the option to personalize your board further by selecting a thumbnail. This visual identifier can give your board a unique touch and is particularly helpful for quick recognition amongst a list of projects. To do this, click on the Change Thumbnail button that's conveniently located next to your board name. Browse through the available options and choose a thumbnail that best represents the theme or purpose of your board, and there you have it. You've successfully created and personalized your first Miro board. Whether you're planning a project, brainstorming ideas, or working on a collaborative effort, this tool offers a versatile platform to cater to your needs. Remember, Miro isn't just about creating boards, it's about fostering creativity, collaboration, and clarity. Don't hesitate to explore further and make full use of the features on offer. Thank you for watching and happy creating.